Hello, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.4 conic sections and we will discuss about hyperbola. Like we have done parabola, it seemed like that. Only what is the difference in this? Our if you will think about parabola, then how you were drawing parabola? Y-axis, x-axis, and you were drawing parabola here, where both lines are intersecting. But your hyperbola, it will not start from the origin. You can see this is the origin, this is your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. Your hyperbola is not origin, not at origin. It's having some distance. This is the distance, and it's here. How much is the distance? A. Same, if you have to draw hyperbola, then you will draw both the sides. In parabola, you were drawing on one side, right hand side, or left hand side. Here you are drawing on both the sides. This is your hyperbola. Then there are two forms. What is the standard equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. If our hyperbola is on x-axis. If our hyperbola is on y-axis, then what is there? Y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. What is the difference? If our hyperbola is on x-axis, then y square term will be in minus. And if our hyperbola is on y-axis, then our x square term will be in minus. Center will be 0, 0 always. Next, vertices, if it is on x-axis, then vertices will be plus minus a comma 0. And for the y-axis, vertices will be 0 comma plus minus b. Okay. Now, coordinate of foci. Coordinate of foci, same like ellipse and parabola only, plus minus ae comma 0. And on y-axis, 0 comma plus minus be. Now, equation of transverse axis, like in ellipse, students, we have done major axis. It's not major axis, but it's same like that. You can make your thing clear. Like transverse axis, wherever your hyperbola is. If your hyperbola is an x-axis, then your transversal axis is x-axis. Then what will be the equation? Y is equal to 0, and for y-axis, x is equal to 0. And your minor axis is one type of conjugate axis. Now it's conjugate axis. What will be the equation? X is equal to 0, and for y-axis, y is equal to 0. Length of transverse axis, same like we have done earlier in ellipse, 2a, and here length will be on y-axis, it will be 2b, because our hyperbola is on y-axis. Same for conjugate axis, length will be 2b, and here it will be 2a. Equation of directrix. Now, equation of directrix, two directrix are there, one here on the left side of horizon, one on the right side of horizon. Because when we are drawing hyperbola, one will be here and one will be here. Then x is equal to plus minus a by e and y is equal to plus minus b by e. Length of latus rectum 2b square by a on x-axis and 2a square by b for y-axis. Eccentricity under root a square plus b square by a if it is on x-axis. If it is on y-axis, then a square plus b square by b, point which is under y square. Let's start with the question. Questions are very easy because same things we have done in ellipse and parabola. Let's start question number 1. 1 to 6 questions are same, where you have to find foci point. Foci means focus points, vertices, eccentricity, and length of latus rectum. Let's start. First, this is the equation of hyperbola. This is given. We will compare it with x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 16. Then a value will come 4. Students, it will not come plus minus 4 because distance cannot be in minus. It will come only 4. B square is equal to 9. B will come 3. Then what are the vertices? Plus minus a comma 0. And what is the a value? Plus minus 4 comma 0. Now eccentricity formula, just now we have done in the table, under root a square plus b square by a. 16 plus 9 by 4, 5 by 4. Why we have solved e? Because we have to find focus point, and focus point formula is plus minus ae. We need e. Put the value of a and b, and focus point are plus minus 5 comma 0. Last thing, we have to find latus rectum. What is the formula for latus rectum? 2b square by a. 2 into 9 by 4, that is equal to 9 by 2. Now question number 2 is also same, but with the equation you can see x square is in minus, y square is in plus. It means our hyperbola, is on which axis? Our hyperbola is on y axis. Let's see. B square is 9, b is equal to 3. A square is equal to 27. A will be equal to root 7. What are the vertices? 0 comma b plus minus b. What is b here? 3. That's why 0 comma plus minus 3. E eccentricity under root a square plus b square by b. Why b, students? Because our hyperbola is on y axis. 9 plus 27 by 3, 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Now next, focus point. Then focus point formula is 0 comma plus minus be. 3 into 2, that is 0 comma plus minus 6. And length of latus rectum, that is 2a square by b is equal to 18. And this is our answer. Now next question, question number 3, 9y square minus 4x square is equal to 36. Students, if you will see in equation of hyperbola on the right side, we need 1, but here 1 is not there. What we have? We have 36. We have to make it 1. How will we make it 1? Divide throughout with 36. Dividing each term left hand side also, right hand side also. Then what you will get? Y square by 4 minus x square by 9 is equal to 1. What is b square? 4. B is 2. A square 9, A is 3. Because our x square is in minus, it means our hyperbola is on y-axis. Then what will be the vertices? 0, comma plus minus b, 0, comma plus minus 2. For focus, we have to find eccentricity. Formula of eccentricity, under root a square plus b square by b. 4 plus 9 by 2 is equal to root 13 by 2. Now, what is the formula for focus point? 0, comma plus minus be. B and E value, and we will get 0 comma plus minus under root 13. Next, length of latus rectum. What is the formula? 2a square by b. 2a square by b, 2 into 9 by 2 is equal to 9. Question number uh, fourth and fifth, student, you have to try because they are totally same, like question number 1, 2, 3. Now question number 6 is also same. Let's solve it. Give an equation of hyperbola is 49y square minus 16x square is equal to 784. Again, on the right side, we have 784. We want to make it 1. Then dividing throughout by 784. Then what you will get? X square by 16 minus x square by 49 is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Now again, y square is in plus, x square is in minus. It means our hyperbola is on y-axis. B square is 16, then b is 4. If a square is 49, then a is 7. Because hyperbola is in y-axis, then what will be the vertices? 0, comma plus minus b, 0, comma plus minus 4. Now eccentricity formula, under root a square plus b square by b. Put the value under root 65 by 4. Eccentricity came. Now we have to find focus point. Focus point is 0, comma plus minus AE. Plus minus AE, 0, comma plus minus root 65. And last thing, length of latus rectum, 2a square by b. 2 into 49 by 4, that is equal to 49 by 2. Now, next question, students, question number 7th. 7 to 15th questions are same. We have to find the equation of hyperbola. Now they will give you 1 to 6th question, equation was given. And 7 to 15th question, you have to make the equation. And what is his focus or something else they will give you. Now, what is his are given plus minus 2, 0. And focus point is given plus minus 3, comma 0. By vertices and focus point, we can tell hyperbola is on x-axis. Then what is this? This is the value of a. Value of a is 2. Now focus point formula is a is equal to 3. Put a 2, e value came 3 by 2. Now we need b also. For finding b, what is the formula? This came with the formula of eccentricity only. B is equal to a under root e square minus 1. 2 under root 9 by 4 minus 1 is equal to root 5. And what will be square? 5. Then what is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square is 4, minus y square by b square is 5 is equal to 1. Question number 8, this is also same like 7th question. What it says is 0, comma plus minus 5. Beta, with vertex, it is clear your hyperbola is on which axis? Y axis, because x coordinate is 0. Then what is the b value? 5. 5 is given. And what is be? That is 8. Put b value. E came 8 by 5. Eccentricity came. Now we have to find a. What is a? B under root e square minus 1. Put the value of b and d. A came under root 39. And what a square will come? 39. A square came, b square came, and it is on which axis? Y axis. Then what will be the equation of hyperbola? Y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. Y square by 25 minus x square by 39 is equal to 1. Now next question, question number 10th. focus point is given plus minus 5 comma 0 and length of transverse axis. Transverse means where is your hyperbola? Our hyperbola is on x-axis, that is 8. Then what is the formula? 2a is equal to 8. Then a value came 4. Then a square 16. Again focus point. What is the formula for focus point? AE. A is 5. Put a value. A came 5 by 4. Now we need B. How B will come? A under root e square minus 1. Put the value of A and E. B also came. Then what is the equation of hyperbola? X square by A square. A square means 16 minus Y square by B square. What is B square? Just now we have solved 9 is equal to 1. Question number 8 done. And student, question number 9, this is same. 9th and 10th are totally same. You have to try these questions because till the time you will not try, you will not able to get to know how to solve the questions. Okay. Question number 11th, focus point is given 0 comma plus minus 13. X coordinate, students, here it is 0. You can see 0 comma plus minus 13. It means our hyperbola is on y axis and length of conjugate axis is given 24. Now this is the main thing. Our hyperbola is on y-axis and conjugate axis is given, that is 2a. Then what a will come? 2 will go in the division, a came 12 and a square 144. I need value of b, but here be is given, focus point, that is 13. What I will do? I will drive the formula of a only because my hyperbola is on y-axis. Then what is the formula? B under root e square minus 1. Do squaring on both sides. You will get a square is equal to b square e square minus 1. Now what you will do here, you will put the value of a square 144, b square e square value from here, be value is 13. What will be the square value? 169 minus b square. B square will go left hand side, 144 will come right hand side. B square value came 25. It means what is the equation? X square by a square minus y square by. Now one thing, our focus point is on y axis. It means y will come in plus and our x square, it will come in minus. Minus x square by 144 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. I hope it's clear. Question number 13. Whatever questions are left, students, you have to try each and every question. Why I'm leaving? For practice, because questions are totally same. Only they are changing the value and you have to practice the questions. Okay. Now, question number 13. Focus point is plus minus 4 comma 0 and length of latest rectum is 12. Focus point. With focus point, it is clear. See, y value is 0. Y value, y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 4. It means our hyperbola is on x-axis and length of latest rectum formula 2b square by a is equal to 12. Put the value of a here 4, b square came 6a. Now we need value of b also. Value of b is a under root e square minus 1. Do squaring on both sides. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. What is b square value? From here 6a square e square multiply, open the bracket. Now students, we have AE value from here. AE value is 4. Put it here. A square e square 4 square 16. Same like last question. Now we have got quadratic. Now we have to solve it. Two factors are there. 8 to the 16. A value is minus 8 and 2. Now students, A means distance. Distance cannot be in minus. That's why minus 8 is rejected. Then what is the distance value here? 2. A came 2 and our b square was equal to 6a. Then b square came 12. Now what is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here 1 will come, students, 1. Okay, because 1 is there in the equation. Now same like 13 question. What it says is r plus minus 7 comma 0. Directly what it says means a value is given 7, eccentricity value is given, b value you can find a under root e square minus 1. A is 7, e square 16 by 9. B came, a came. What is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. You can solve it. You can open the square and you will get. Now last question of this exercise. Question number 15th. Focus point is given 0 comma plus minus under root 10 and passing through the point 2 comma 3 and it is on y-axis. Now listen students, focus point, it means BE value is given under root 10. And because it is on y-axis, what will be the equation of parabola? Minus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now we need a value also. What will be the formula for a value? B under root e square minus 1. By squaring, what we will get? A square is equal to B square into E square minus 1. Open the bracket and put the value of BE, that is root 10. But because of square, you will get 10. Now, students, you can see A square value you have got 10 minus B square. We can use this value here in the equation of parabola. X minus x square by, what is the A square value? 10 minus B square plus y square by B square, it is equal to 1. Now our parabola is passing from the point 2 comma 3. Passing point means x value is 2, y value is 3. Put both the values here. Minus 4 by 10 minus b square plus 9 by b square is equal to 1. By taking LCM cross multiplication, we will get the equation b4 minus 23b square plus 90 is equal to 0. Like we are solving quadratic equation, same we will solve, but here we will not get b value, we will get b square value, 18 and 5 by making factor. Now, if b square is 18, by putting the value 10 minus 18, a square we will get minus 8, which is not possible. It cannot be in minus. Then we will take b square value 5, then we are getting at a square also 5. And because our parabola is on y-axis, then what will be the equation? Minus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And what is a square and b square? That is equal to 5. And our exercise is complete. I hope it is clear to everybody.